Hi guys, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? Hope you're all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video. Lovely viewer will see in this videos very creative and trending hand printed rock stones ideas in 2025. Today we'll see in this videos modern hand printed rock stone ideas in 2025. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. You will see in these videos new top stylish and trending hand printed stones ideas, pebbles art ideas in 2025. This video is very attractive and very stylish designs. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. So you will see your top creative and trending hand printed rock stones ideas. So before you will see your modern and stylish unique hand printed stone trends in 2025. This video is very attractive and very stylish designs. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos. And if you like this one stylish hand printed stones ideas, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. Watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of modern unique pebble stones ideas. So this video is very addictive and very stylish designs. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. So watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of trending landscaping ideas, home decoration designs. This video is very attractive and very stylish ideas. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video. So you will see in all top creative and trending hand printed stones ideas. So lovely viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish hand printed rock stones ideas. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. This video is very addictive and very stylish design. So you will see new marvelous and stylish unique hand printed rock stones ideas. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. This video is very addictive and very stylish designs. Gorgeous and stylish, we will see unique modern hand printed rock stones ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Enjoy your very creative and trending hand printed rock stones ideas, pebbles art ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Marvelous and stylish, we will see in your trending hand printed rock stones ideas. So take care friends, you will see unique